2 months.
Grain and livestock futures ended last week mostly lower. Randy Martinson is joining us with analysis. Randy, a setback in corn and soybeans. Did we just see those contracts kind of run up into chart resistance?
I think so. We've been, butting our heads up against some pretty strong resistance. That 465 level in the March corn has been pretty strong, and $10, that 10.15 area has been pretty strong for the March soybeans. And we just couldn't seem to get enough news to be able to propel us through those levels. And I think that just brought out a little bit of profit taking. I think we saw some hedge selling as well from farmers as they're starting to need to get product moved. It's the first of the year. They need to start generating a little more cash. So I think some farmer selling also added to the little bit of the pressure.
Well, and you would expect that farmers should be rewarding this rally for sure. Was there also maybe a little positioning as we have a WASDE report and quarterly stocks coming up here at the end of the week?
I think that added to it. I mean, you're looking at the data dump coming from USDA on Friday, and that I think, we're looking at the winter wheat seedings, we're looking at the final crop production report numbers coming out, and I do think that there was some positioning ahead of that. Most are expecting not much to change for wheat and for soybeans, but we are expecting that maybe we could see some friendly numbers on the corn side.
And what about the cattle market? Mostly lower, kind of looked like a reversal despite some record cash trade. Is that a top?
I think it's too early to say that we're seeing a top put in the market. I think we saw some positioning there as well, some profit taking. The funds are extremely long, and I think they lightened up their load here a little bit. I think they're a little bit worried about the weather. So I think right now, I think they're going to take a step back, see how things look next week. But this market is getting awful toppy. We're getting close to the highs, and I wouldn't be surprised to see some selling come into the marketplace.
Was there also maybe some hedge selling? Because these are some pretty profitable levels to be locking in.
Oh, they're extremely profitable levels. And I think, yes, we did see quite a bit of that. I mean, even us here, we're seeing quite a bit of interest in people wanting to open hedge accounts and start hedging their cattle just because of the prices that we're at.
Yeah, no doubt. Thanks so much. Randy Martinson with Martinson Ag. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.
Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.